Stop scrolling if you love mind-blowing facts. Here's a keyboard secret that will have you looking at your computer in a whole new way. The word typewriter is one of the longest English words you can spell using only the top row of letters on a standard QWERTY keyboard. That's right. If you look down at your keyboard, every single letter in the word typewriter is found on that very top line, QWERTY UIOP. It's not just a coincidence or a random quirk. When typewriters were first invented, manufacturers wanted salespeople to quickly demonstrate their machine's capabilities. By showcasing a word like typewriter, which could be typed rapidly using just one row, they could impress customers with both speed and efficiency. This clever trick not only wowed early buyers, but also embedded a quirky bit of history right into the way we use keyboards today. So next time you sit down to type, glance at that top row and remember, there's a hidden story behind every keystroke you make. Like the content you just watched? Subscribe and follow for more mind-blowing facts and discoveries.